Are ghosts real? There are many evidences found on this earth that suggest their existence. There are many videos on internet uploaded that show paranormal activities. In this video we are going to discuss some of them. Before starting the video, don't forget to like and share. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bone-chilling CCTV footage captured at the Brookside Theatre in Romford, Essex shows a chair appearing to move on its own. To make things weirder, this potentially supernatural event happened after a psychic medium had been on stage earlier in the night. The theater's manager Jay Seppel said a lot of weird things had happened at the theater over the years, but this is easily the freakiest thing he has seen. It can be clearly seen that the chair is moving on its own. Obviously it's not the wind. There might be some supernatural force which is doing this. This video is mysterious and scary, and it became viral on internet. On 3 consecutive days in winter 2003, Hampton Court Palace security staff were called to close one particular fire door near the palace's clock court, now in the Baroque Story exhibition. On the first day, CCTV footage showed the doors flying wide open with great force, but there was nothing to reveal why. On the second day, the same thing happened, but this time a ghostly-looking figure in period dress suddenly appeared on the screen and closed the doors. The doors opened again on the third day, but there was no further sign of the ghostly doorkeeper. It wasn't just security staff who thought they were seeing things. A visitor wrote in the palace's visitor book on the second day that she too thought she had seen a ghost in that area. This CCTV footage of the figure caught the attention of the world's media, with reports in newspapers and on TV and radio as far afield as India, Australia and Peru. This is where the nickname Skeletor came from. There was a person living in a house. He noticed that there were some weird things happening in his house. He used to hear some sounds coming from the attic. He decided to investigate this matter. He fixed a camera in the attic, and the camera caught mysterious and scary activities happening there. It can be clearly seen that the chair is moving from one place to the other. Also, the small wooden horse kept there started moving. When the owner of the house saw the video, he got terrified and he decided to leave the house. This video really is scary. A personal trainer claimed that he saw a ghost in this castle window. You can clearly see that there's something scary seeing from the window opening of the castle. He claimed that it was the same spirit he saw on the previous trip to this castle. This video capture really is spooky. A mother who thought that she was simply taking a video of her child riding the bicycle caught a spirit standing up in the building looking down at her child. The building belongs to 19th century. She didn't notice that while making the video, but when she saw itself she got scared and asked the security about it. They told that only the security is allowed to go in this building. Who knows what's going around? The universe is full of mysterious and weird facts. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.